name's Jacqueline. I'm a health educator with CLA, which runs 6 farmers markets across Los Angeles. I'm here at the farmers market to pick up some fresh nectarines that will be featured in today's recipe, a nectarine mint salsa. The nectarine mint salsa incorporates a lot of simple and savory flavors fresh from the farmers market. In a saucepan over medium-high heat, add half a cup of 100% orange juice, bring to a boil and cook until the orange juice is darkened and has a syrup-like consistency. Add half a cup of rice or white wine vinegar and half a teaspoon of salt to the saucepan. Stir until the salt is dissolved. Return to a boil and add 1.5 pounds of nectarines, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 stemmed jalapeno, and half a chopped red onion. Reduce the heat to medium and cover. Cook until the nectarines start to break down and the vegetables are tender. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let the salsa cool until it's room temperature. Stir in 1/4 cup of mint and 1/4 cup of cilantro leaves. Refrigerate until chilled and enjoy.